Yeah. Hello. Hello everyone. We are live. 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 Yeah, this is about the Dei ICT Academy and Business Center. It's all about testing our live stream videos. We will start very soon. We will start very soon. So just hold tight. And tutorials nasi. So obian si apotre na onka na kuma entu niyem. It's all about Dei ICT Academy, our online streaming. Dei ICT Academy, our online streaming for our various courses. Yes, that's how we're gonna do it. I'm happy that you are online with me today. We are still putting things together. Very soon we will be beginning training. I say, and chakra. We will start very soon. Yes, this is Dei ICT Academy. Test streaming for you there. We will be starting very soon. It's all about giving you quality content. Adia will be now better here. Not training no bit me ayakama. That is what we are doing right now. So I hope seeing in idea ever shame. Yes, I'll be happy if I can see many people online right now, because we've just started. Why want me to be a sono? Mammy, why want me to be a mammy? Why want me to be a mammy? Just comment on our page, or you can probably use the support. You can still use our support as well. Yes, or you can also pass your message through WhatsApp. Yes, you can also pass your comment through WhatsApp. This is Dei ICT Academy, our online streaming. HBR will be starting. Oh yes, HBR will be starting. These are all primary activities. Just trying to see how best this broadcasting is going to work. Okay, now we're going deep. We're going deep. On a quick one, before we start, I want to show you how you'll be able to get to this lesson live. I mean, this is the course page, right? So if you are here, this is the course page. So if you are on the course page, the best thing that you can do right now is say Obeba lesson 2. And of course, the course we are actually testing is support and introductions. Support and introduction. So the second lesson, just click on it. Once you click on it, it will navigate to this page here. Now on this page, you see this website address here. Website address way. Just click on that website address. That's where we actually take you to the live webinar page. Yeah, so this is the live broadcasting page for you. So the video is here, and you could also maximize the video on your screen. You can maximize the video on your screen so that you look at what is going on out here. Yes, so that is how it's supposed to be. So you can really watch us on your laptop here. So that's how it is. So right now, you'll be starting the lesson very soon. Very soon. I'm still tracking the site, yes, to know the number of people online right now. I'm still tracking the site to see the number of people online right now. Alright, Dominic, I can see you, you are online. Dominic, welcome. Dominic, welcome. I hope you are enjoying the lessons that we are doing right now. Hope you are enjoying the lesson. If for any reason you are not getting what we are doing right now, I'll plead with you to comment or send a message via our WhatsApp platform, and we will talk about it. Yes, I see you, Vincent. I see you on WhatsApp. But I need to get you on the site. I need to get you on site. Yes, don't omit yourself. It's about tutorial how Dei ICT Academy, our platform, is going to work. How our platform is going to work. So this is the live streaming page here, and after every lesson, let's say 24 to 42 hours interval, we will post the video on the course page here. So this is the course page, so the video will be on the particular course page here, so that you'll be able to actually get whatever was taught, which you couldn't make it. Yes, so even if you couldn't make it to the live streaming as we'll be doing right now, it means that you can still access our platform and have all the necessary notes that you have. Now, this streaming is going to be very powerful because we are streaming through about 2 mediums. We are streaming through 2 mediums. We are using Google Hangout to broadcast. At the same time, we are also using a broadcast software to also broadcast. So that's how we're doing it right now. So this is our test about how Dei ICT Academy, our platform, is going to work. Yes. So if you can hear me right now, then I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Now there's another. Of course, if you're also using Hangout, you could also watch the live streaming on Google Hangouts on your mobile phone or tablet. Yes, but for today we will not be sharing that URL. But from tomorrow going, the next lesson that we'll be looking at, you'll be sharing those URL. Yes, but of course, if you're on the course page, I'm gonna paste the Hangout URL right now on the video page so that you can have access to it. These are all tests. Don't worry about whatever is going on right now. The main event will be much more better than what we're doing today. The main event. So I'm pasting the comments right now. I'm posting the comments right now. Yes, I'm also monitoring how the whole process is going to work. These are all tests. Yes. So right now I've commented with the name Ima. Yes, as also a student. It's an account I've created. Now that Hangouts accounts there is, you can also use it to watch us live. You also use it to watch the video. So probably what we'll be doing is that we will be adding the Hangout with let me say the live streaming on the site. So you could either watch us on the Hangouts or you could watch us on our homepage or the web page. Yes, that is it. I hope my speakers are not noisy. I hope there's no noise around my speakers here, because I'm streaming from the house. Yes, I'm not at work right now. These are all tests. We want to make sure that we could be delivering the content from everywhere, wherever we may find ourselves. We want to make training of ITC much more easier to access, so that you'll be able to have it on any other platform that you can get. Yes, so that is that. Now let's start with today's lesson. But of course, before we begin today's lesson, I will need to do something quick. Yes, before we start with today's lesson. I need to log out of this account because I'll be using that browser for this particular tutorial that we'll be having today. Of course, those of you who haven't watched the other video that we did the other time, I hope so. Here is the logout here, so I click logout to log out of that account. Yes, this is Dei ICT Academy again, and this is the testing of our live streaming online training, so that we make sure we deliver good content to whoever be on this platform. Now, as I explained in the previous lesson, I said that the menu, mostly if it's a mobile view, responsive view, it appears here. So you click on this button here or this sign here, then it takes you to the menu. It breaks out the menu. But if it's Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox, or you're working with a browser that is on a laptop and have a larger screen, then the menu will appear on top here. Yes, it was in the previous video that we look at all that. So now we are going to look at how to be able to register on Dei ICT Academy online platform, so that we also become students or participants in this particular platform where you can learn IT anywhere you find yourself. Now I will head towards my menu. So this is the menu. Of course, I will be bringing the P. Don't worry, I will be bringing the P. You the P frame, but we hope to also let everybody understand, because in Ghana, P is not the only language, and therefore say you should go for more, so that at least the P from Ghana, those who also don't understand P will be able to get whatever, because we don't want to confuse anybody. But of course, and yeah. Yes, that's how it means. This is Ghanaian site, this is a Ghanaian training center, and therefore we have to adopt something which is Ghanaian. Now, on this course page, let's start. Introduction to MD online training. Yes, how to register for online IT training. This tutorial have already been done on Facebook. I think it was also a test, and today we are doing the same tutorial again. Now, things that you need so that you'll be able to register on the platform. What will you need to be able to register on the platform? Now, the first thing that you need is a basic knowledge on how to use a web browser, an email address. It could be Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Ymail, Hotmail, or Outlook Mail, and a computer or a mobile phone with internet connection. Then you also need a web browser. So the things that you need to be able to register on Dei ICT Academy and Business Center platform for IT training, wherever you may find yourself, these things are basic knowledge on how to use a web browser, and of course an email address, because that is what you'll be communicating with. The email address is very, very important to get an email address for this training. Then you also have a PC, personal computer, or a mobile phone with an internet connection. It's very important. Since it's an online platform, you need an internet connection to get access. Then a web browser, a powerful one. And a web browser, you have the Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Opera, and the rest. All these browsers can be used to access the course page and course contents. Yes, by the beginning of November, things will be much more better. Now, the steps in registering. Now, the first step you have to make is that you have to make sure your internet is working. You have to make sure your internet connection is working. Then you open your browser, either Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. Then in your browser address bar, just enter www.matterdaygh.com. Then click on the membership link in the menu. Click on the membership menu link. Then you select the desired membership that you want to subscribe. Then you click on buy now. Now when you click on buy now, another form will come which you will fill. Then it will ask you to agree to our terms and conditions. Once you agree to our terms and conditions, then it means that you'll be able to submit your checkout by clicking on the submit a checkout button, where our website will process your request and then send you an email. Now on the same page you have details on how you'll be able to make your mobile money payment, which is also outlined on that same checkout page, which is the next step to this lesson, which we will look at in today or maybe tomorrow. Now that is the step 2 I was talking about. So the step 2 is about your payment, how you do the payment. Now you check your email, you will see a confirmation message in the payment guidelines, or on the page where you fill the checkout form. That's your email address, username, password. There is also another information there that tells you how you'll be able to do your free transactions with MTN mobile money. Now once you've done that and you finish the registration, there's an invoice number that will be generated by the platform. Now copy invoice number and your email, and then your mobile money transaction ID for the payment that you made. If you send the mobile money via an MTN agent, what you're supposed to do is that you're supposed to get the for instance, the few courses have a limited membership period of 10 days, and the few courses you could watch just this video I'm doing right now. I'll support video and other free courses that will be on the platform. The 3 months, which is has this package, this one, the bronze here. What you're supposed to do is that it lasts for 3 months, and within that 3 months, you could do Windows environment, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and courses that are for beginners alike. Then with the silver, you could also do courses like Microsoft Excel, Web Design Part 1, CorelDRAW, and those programs are such. So all the programs have been categorized on our platform. So based on your membership, that determines which type of product you'll be able to, or training you'll be able to subscribe to. Yes, so we have all the membership here. So if you want to register, once you click on the membership and it takes you here, just click on any of the packages that you wish to subscribe. This will bring out the checkout form. This will bring out the checkout form. Now, it's much easier because I'll be able to process my membership request. So here, first and foremost, you have to get a username, a password. You confirm the password, enter your email address, then you confirm that email address. So let me see. So let's say I have here Kofi as my username and password. Then I confirm the password. Then I enter my email address. Of course, if you don't have email address, you could create one simply by going to Gmail. I recommend using Gmail because of Android phones and other things that you could use your Gmail account to do. So here I have my email address, which is this one. Now our platform is in such a way that probably you can't do copy and paste for security reasons, and therefore you have to type in your email address manually. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to open Notepad. I'll open Notepad, then paste my email on it. So that's my email, YAMOTWEN. It's purposely created for this tutorial, so don't worry about it. So let me draw this one down a little bit, close this one. So I come here, I enter my email, YAMO, yes, then I probably type it again, YAMO, then I select the checkbox here. Now this is the security verification that will ask you to verify whether you are human. Now what's happening is that it wants me to select the boxes that have cars in them. So once I do that, I just click on next. You see, so now it has verified that I have picked all the cars. So this is the transaction where you'll be able to the mobile money transaction details. So here you'll be able to do the mobile money for this particular platform. You see here now your mobile money transaction now a bit more joining training now in a subsequent lesson. So here what is going to be is that you are supposed to send your mobile money to this MTN number here. That's 02488333753. Once you've done that and the transaction is successful, just go to your SMS message that mobile money sent you, copy the transaction ID plus your invoice number and email to that same number you send the mobile money to, and your account will be activated. Now once you finish, you just have to agree to our terms and conditions, then you submit. Now this will process the account, then take you to the confirmation page. Now this confirmation page will present you with the invoice number that we've been talking about for a while now. So this is the invoice number we are talking about. So here my invoice number is 188-609-CF67. Of course, so the membership is 100 Ghana cedis, and now I could simply navigate to a course and select a course. Of course, an email has also been sent to your account to confirm your membership. So he said a welcome email with a copy of your initial membership invoice has been sent to your email. So here you can also click here to print your email address as well. Once you do the transaction of your mobile money, the rest is up to us. We will approve your account and you become a member. Once you are here, you have your dashboard, your courses, and those information here. So you can click on the dashboard to view your dashboard. That is where all the activities of this training is going to be done. So that's where you also be subscribing to courses and other stuff. So here I have not subscribed to any courses, it's a new account. So if the account is not approved, the person could not do anything. But if the account is approved, then he can come here, then go to courses, then subscribe to the course, and then start training. Yes, so this is it. We're hoping to bring another video or tutorial on how to subscribe the course and how to do the course. Yes, so this is a quick one. We are not going to delay time here. So this is it. You have you all here. So I'm going to subscribe to this free course because that one is free. Whether I've paid my membership or not, I can have access to it. So let me see. Yes, so there's the course. I have access to the course here. So I can attend the course. You see, so that is the course. So here is the course page. Of course, if I'm going fast, you should let me know so that we can reduce the speed that we are using to teach. Yes, so that is it. So here is the course. I can access the live preview. Then start learning something. Yes. Now the platform is dynamic and you can do whatever you want with it. So here is it. So the live streaming I'm doing right now is still ongoing, and that person can join the live streaming as it works on. So that is it. So that is it. That's it. Well, finally we are almost done for this particular lesson. And of course, if I go to the email for the registration, you realize that the email has been sent here. So when I click on it, it will tell the person that thank you, hi, thank you for your recent affiliate to this Dei ICT Academy Business Center. We are currently reviewing your application and we will be in touch very soon. So sooner or later, he's gonna get another email. Then that email will confirm a successful and approval after the payment has been made in accordance with what we just discussed. Now, your invoice is supposed to come, but if your invoice does not come, then what is supposed to be that you should contact us via the support or through WhatsApp. Then we will work on it so that you get your invoice, so that you'll be able to join this course. Yes. So this is Imam from Dei ICT Academy, and I'm happy you've been part of this wonderful and amazing training. We are about to end this particular lesson, and we hope that anybody who registers on this platform will be able to acquire the necessary practical skills they need. Now, one advantage of this platform is that it will help you learn at your own pace. There's nothing to worry about. Your tight schedule wouldn't interfere because you can take the training. Even if you don't attend this live training, you can still look at the video, and then other materials that will be added will guide you through step-by-step processing. And you could also contact us, as I said, via WhatsApp, via support, and also on the course page in the forums, so that we'll be able to share these ideas, work with you, so that you get the necessary knowledge and skills that you need in terms of IT. So that's it, and we'll be ending the lesson very soon, and I hope to see you some other time. Thank you very much. Yeah.